Design and create flowers beds with a variety of colors, flowers mixing and annuals for a continuous blooms throughout the seasons. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. Outline paths or borders with the low growing flowers or shrubs to add definition and are visually interested. Install raised beds or containers for growing herbs, vegetables or fruits allowing for easy access, efficient garden. Encouraging and composting area or recycle organic waste and enrich the soil contributing suitable garden. Water elements introduce a water fountain, small pond, bird bath or attract the wildlife creating a soothing ambience with the sound of running water. Utilize water feature as a focal points or centerpiece in the with garden designs. Set up cozy seating arrangements like benches, swings, hammocks. Garden provide tranquil sports, relaxation, and contemplational include a dining area with a table and chairs for outdoor meals gatherings. Pathways and walkways create a meaning. Pathways usually garden stepping stones, natural materials like wood, ships, or a much guiding victuals through the garden. Line pathway with a plants, solar powered light illuminate the garden night at the enhanced safety. Arbors install arbors trailers covered with the climbing plants like roses, vines, or jasmine add a vertical, interested, and creative schedulated space built for a shared support climbing plants, providing a charming sheltered area in the garden yard. Enhance the garden's visually appeal with a sculpture, decorative structures, artist installation that complement the natural surrounding. Use recycled materials or dye projects to create unique garden art pieces. Design native areas for a children's play such as sandbox, playhouse or swing set. Enjoyable space for kids. Creative environment zones with a feature like an outdoor kitchen fit, fire pit or barbecue area hosting garden gathering or enjoyable leisure time. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. And this video share to your friends. Wildlife friendly elements plants native species to attract pollinators like butterflies and bees, supporting the ecosystem and promoting biodiversity. Include bird feeders, nesting box or bat house to invite various wildlife species into garden. Seasonal and evergreen plantings encourage mixed plants that offer seasonal interest rate, including flower plants for vibrant displays and evergreens for year-round appeal. Plant for plant diversity consider foliage, colors, textures, and heights to create a visually engaging landscape. By combination these ideas and adapting them to suit your preference and available space, you can create a garden yard that's not only aesthetic pleasing but also functional and harmonious with the nature. Experiment with the different elements and enjoy the process of cultivating your unique garden sanctuary. So thanks for watching. This is called today's video you can see gardening, backyard ideas, yard ideas. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.